In beginner lessons, you learned common eye shapes with 2 to 5 points, straight 3, bent 3, and the basic 4, and 5-point shapes. The 4-point shapes include T4, square 4, bent 4, lightning 4, and straight 4. Among the 5 and 6-point shapes, you know bulky 5, cross 5, and rabbity 6. Straight 3, bent 3, T4, rabbity 6, cross 5, and bulky 5 can all be killed by one placement. If the attacker plays first, the enclosed group dies. If the defender plays first, it lives. These are one-move kills. If the attacker takes the vital point, the group dies. If the defender takes it first, the group lives. Some larger eye spaces are unconditionally alive. Square 4 is the opposite. The enclosed group is already dead. Those are the 3 basic categories. Other 5-point shapes usually live. Practical life and death begins with 6-point eye spaces and grows from there, 6, 7, and 8 points. Our practical study therefore begins with 6-point spaces, then moves upward to 7 and 8 points. Six-point shapes appear in corners and on the side. Besides a plain rectangle, we see extensions of bulky 5, the mouse-dealing oil shape, hat 6, and the basic bridge shape. These often arise after invasions. A 6-point space is not always a plain rectangle. Some forms grow out of bulky 5 or another familiar corner shape. Along the side, hat 6 and the basic bridge shape are also common 6-point spaces created by invasions.